Hello guys, this is AdaptCap115. I'm doing this unboxing video of this PC from Digital Storm. And I want to do this out to Epic, who's going to help me edit this video afterward. So let's the video begin. Yep, this is my PC. I'm going to get this computer started. And yeah. This is my PC, guys. 1650 driver card. Not a bad card, but it would get this thing going. Got some keyboard and a mouse. And got that certificate of ownership of this PC. I will get this thing ready. Right after I'm doing this. Wire truth. I like the lighting. Got some fan on. Yep, that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, it's still working so far, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's take some like for this video and catch you all later.